Why settle for financial confusion when you can embark on a thrilling quest to uncover the why behind making smart money moves? Welcome to Cracking the Code, Investment Hacks for Smart Financial Decisions with Confident TV. Today, we're lifting the lid on the secrets of savvy investment strategies that can guide you towards making astute financial choices. Our first stop on this journey is the land of diversification. Imagine your investment portfolio as a vibrant, bustling city. Each building represents a different asset class or industry. The key to a thriving city or portfolio lies in its variety. By spreading investments across diverse sectors and asset classes, you're effectively reducing risk and ensuring your financial city doesn't crumble if one building falls. Moving on, let's discuss the silent predator that lurks in the shadows of your investment city: fees. High fees can slowly nibble away at your returns over time. So it's important to compare expense ratios and opt for funds and platforms that offer lower costs. Think of it as choosing a cost-effective construction company to maintain your city. Next on our agenda is research. Don't be a sheep in the herd, blindly following trends or hot tips. Instead, be an eagle, soaring high above the market, keenly observing company fundamentals and understanding industry dynamics before swooping in to make informed decisions. Now let's talk about time. The clock ticks away relentlessly, but it's not your enemy. In fact, when it comes to investing, time can be your greatest ally. Trying to time the market perfectly is like trying to catch a falling star. Nearly impossible. Instead, focus on long-term investments. Harness the power of compounding, allowing your investments to grow over time. It's like planting a tree in your city and watching it grow, flourish, and provide shade over the years. But what about emotions? They're the unpredictable weather patterns in our city metaphor. It's easy to be swayed by the winds of market fluctuations or to panic when the storm of a downturn hits. But remember, every storm passes. The best investors remain calm, think logically, and adhere to a disciplined, long-term approach. They weather the storm and wait for the sunshine of growth. And finally, let's take a flight around the globe. Diversifying globally means expanding your investments beyond the borders of your home country. It can boost potential returns and reduce risk by exposing your portfolio to different economies and markets. It's like opening trade routes with other cities, fostering growth and prosperity. Remember, these investment hacks are just the tip of the iceberg. Continue your financial education, seek professional advice if needed, and always stay informed. The world of investing is a vast ocean, and these hacks are your compass, guiding you towards making smart financial decisions. Thanks for watching.